Welcome to Life English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Hi.
How are you today, Daniel?
I'm tired. Very tired. I sat down on the couch earlier, just for a minute, and then I woke up 2 hours later with my glasses still on.
With your glasses on?
Yes, still on my face. And the TV was still playing, and I had no idea what time it was.
That's the kind of tired where your body just takes over.
Exactly. My body said, "We're done, we're sleeping now."
I know that feeling.
If you're listening right now, maybe you know that feeling too. Maybe you're tired.
Maybe you had a long day or a long week, or maybe you're just always a little tired.
And that's okay. Being tired is normal. Being tired is human.
So today we're just going to talk about being tired, about what it feels like, about how we handle it.
Nothing complicated, no energy required, just conversation.
You can listen while you rest, while you relax, while you do nothing.
So let's begin.
Daniel, when did you start feeling tired today?
Honestly, I woke up tired.
You woke up tired?
Yes, I opened my eyes this morning and my first thought was, I'm still tired.
That's the worst, when sleep doesn't feel like enough.
Exactly. I slept 7 hours, maybe 8, but I still woke up tired.
I think that's different from physical tiredness.
Different how?
Physical tiredness is when your body is tired, your muscles, your legs, your back.
From working, from moving, from doing things.
Yes, but mental tiredness is different.
Mental tiredness. That's when your brain is tired.
Exactly. Your brain is tired from thinking, from worrying, from making decisions.
From too much information, too many choices, too much noise.
Yes, and mental tiredness doesn't go away with one night of sleep.
No, it stays with you. It builds up over time.
I think that's what a lot of people feel, not just physical tiredness, mental tiredness.
Do you ever wake up and immediately think about going back to sleep?
Every morning.
Every morning?
Almost every morning. The alarm goes off, and I think, no, not yet.
Not yet, not ready.
Not ready to be awake. Not ready to start.
Do you hit the snooze button?
Sometimes. Do you?
Yes. Sometimes multiple times.
Multiple times. 5 more minutes. Then 5 more. Then 5 more.
And then you finally get up and you're late.
Yes. And you're more tired than before.
Because the interrupted sleep doesn't help.
No, it makes it worse somehow.
But in the moment, you just want a little more time.
A little more time in the warm bed. In the quiet.
Before the day demands things from you.
Before you have to be someone. Do something.
Just a few more minutes of nothing.
Of peace.
Do you ever feel discouraged when you wake up tired?
Discouraged?
Like the day hasn't even started yet and you're already tired.
Oh, yes, I feel that.
It's like you're starting from behind.
From behind. Already losing.
And you haven't even done anything yet.
No, you just opened your eyes.
But you're already exhausted.
It feels unfair.
It does, like you didn't get a fair chance.
A fair start.
But that's just some mornings.
Some mornings are like that.
Heavy before they begin.
Yes, heavy.
I feel both.
Both at the same time?
Yes, my body is tired and my brain is tired. They're both exhausted.
That's a heavy kind of tired.
It is. It makes everything feel harder.
Even small things.
Even very small things, like deciding what to eat.
Oh, I know that one. Someone asks, "What do you want for dinner?" and your brain just stops.
It completely stops. No answer, no preferences, just blank.
Because deciding feels like too much work.
Exactly. When you're tired, every decision feels big.
Every choice feels heavy.
Do you ever feel tired in the middle of the day?
Yes, around 2 or 3 in the afternoon.
2 or 3. That's a common time.
It is. I call it the afternoon crash.
The afternoon crash. That's a good name.
You're working, you're doing things, and then suddenly you can't focus anymore.
Your eyes feel heavy.
Your brain feels foggy.
Foggy, yeah. Like everything is covered in myth.
You read the same sentence 3 times and you still don't understand it.
Yes, exactly that.
What do you do when that happens?
Sometimes I stand up, walk around a little, get some water.
Does that help?
A little. Not much, but a little.
I try to go outside, even for 5 minutes.
Fresh air helps.
It does. The air, the light, it wakes you up slightly.
Slightly, but not completely.
No, not completely, because the tiredness is still there.
It's still there underneath.
Do you drink coffee when you're tired?
Sometimes, do you?
I used to, but now I'm careful.
Careful why?
Because if I drink coffee too late, I can't sleep at night.
Ah, the cycle.
The cycle, you're tired, so you drink coffee, then you can't sleep, so the next day you're more tired.
And you drink more coffee.
Exactly. It never ends.
It's a trap.
It is a trap. So now I just accept being tired.
You accept it.
Yes, I say, okay, I'm tired today. That's fine.
That's healthy.
I think so. Fighting tiredness makes it worse.
It does. When you fight it, you use more energy.
And you don't have energy to spare.
No, you don't.
Do you think all tired days feel the same?
The same? No, I don't think so.
No, me neither. Some tired days are different.
Different how?
Some days I'm tired but calm, like everything is soft, quiet.
Tired but peaceful.
Yes, peaceful tired, where you move slowly but it's okay.
You're not fighting anything.
No, you're just floating through the day.
I know that kind of tired. It's almost gentle.
It is gentle. And then there are other days.
Other days?
Some days you're tired and anxious at the same time.
Oh, that's the worst combination.
It is. Your body wants to rest, but your mind won't stop.
Your mind is racing, thinking, worrying.
But you're too tired to do anything about it.
So you just sit there, tired and buzzing.
Tired and buzzing. Yes, that's exactly it.
Everything feels urgent, but you can't move.
You can't move. You're frozen.
That's exhausting.
Very exhausting. And then there's another kind.
Another kind?
Some days you're tired and you feel nothing.
Nothing?
Not peaceful, not anxious, just flat.
Flat, empty.
Yes, like the color is gone from everything.
You're moving, but you're not really there.
You're not really there, just going through the motions.
I've had those days.
They're strange days.
Very strange, not painful, just blank.
Blank tired.
Yes,
So tiredness can feel different.
different feelings, different days.
And they're all real.
They're all valid.
Do you ever feel guilty about being tired?
Guilty? What do you mean?
Like, you feel like you should have more energy. You should do more. You should be more productive.
Oh, yes, I feel that.
You feel guilty for resting.
Yes, like resting is lazy, like tiredness is weakness.
But it's not.
No, it's not. Tiredness is just being human.
Being human, exactly.
Our bodies need rest, our brains need rest.
And rest is not the same as laziness.
No, rest is recovery. Rest is necessary.
But society makes us feel bad about it.
It does. Society says keep going, keep working, keep doing.
Sleep when you're dead.
That's a terrible phrase.
It is, because sleep is life. Sleep is health.
Without sleep, without rest, everything breaks down.
Everything breaks down. Your body, your mind, your mood.
Your mood, yes. When I'm tired, I'm not myself.
What do you mean?
I mean, I'm more irritable, more sensitive. Small things bother me.
Things that normally wouldn't bother you.
Exactly. Someone makes a small noise and it feels huge.
Like chewing or tapping.
Yes, chewing. When you're tired, chewing sounds like an earthquake.
It's because your patience is low.
Your patience is gone. You used it all during the day.
So by evening, there's nothing left.
Nothing left, just tiredness and sensitivity.
I feel that way too. Tired makes me emotional.
Emotional how?
I cry more easily, or I feel sad for no reason.
For no specific reason.
No specific reason, just everything feels heavy.
That's the weight of tiredness.
Yes, it weighs on you, physically and emotionally.
What do you do when you feel that way?
I tried to be gentle with myself.
Gentle with yourself. What does that look like?
It means I don't push, I don't force, I don't judge.
You just let yourself be tired.
Yes, I let myself be tired. I rest without guilt.
That's hard to do.
It is, but it's important.
Do you ever take naps?
Sometimes, not often. Do you?
I try not to, because if I nap, I can't sleep at night.
Same problem as coffee.
Same problem. But sometimes my body doesn't care. It just shuts down.
Like today on the couch.
Exactly. I didn't plan to nap, but my body decided.
Your body made the choice.
It did, and honestly, I feel better now.
Even with the glasses still on?
Even with the glasses still on.
Sometimes the body knows what it needs.
It does. Better than the mind sometimes.
The mind says, keep going. The body says, stop.
And the body is usually right.
Usually, but we don't listen
We don't listen until we have no choice.
until we collapse.
Or get sick.
Yes, sickness is the body's final warning.
You didn't listen, so now I'm forcing you to rest.
Exactly. So it's better to rest before that point.
Before you break down completely.
Small rests, regular rests.
Not waiting until you're completely empty.
No, don't wait that long.
Do you think people understand the difference between busy and tired?
What do you mean?
I mean, people say, I'm so busy, but what they really mean is, I'm so tired.
Ah, yes, I see that.
Busy is about time, tired is about energy.
You can be busy and not tired, or tired and not busy.
Exactly, they're different things.
But we confuse them,
We do. We wear busyness like a badge.
like it's something to be proud of.
But really, it's exhausting.
It is. Constant busyness is not sustainable.
No, it's not. Humans are not machines.
We're not. We need rest. We need pause. We need quiet.
Quiet is underrated.
Very underrated. Silence, stillness, doing nothing.
Doing nothing feels wrong sometimes.
It does, like you should be productive. You should be achieving.
But doing nothing is productive
How?
because it restores you, it refills your energy.
So you can do things later.
Exactly. Rest is an investment.
An investment in your future energy.
Yes, not a waste, an investment.
I like that perspective.
It helps with the guilt.
It does. When you see rest as productive, it's easier to allow it.
Easier to give yourself permission.
Permission to be tired, permission to rest.
We all need that permission.
We do, from ourselves, not from others.
From ourselves. That's the hardest part.
It is. We're our own worst critics.
Always judging, always comparing.
Other people aren't tired, why am I?
But other people are tired, they're just not saying it.
They're hiding it,
Everyone is hiding it, pretending they're fine.
pretending they have endless energy.
But they don't. Nobody does.
Nobody, everyone gets tired.
Everyone needs rest.
So it's okay to say it. I'm tired.
I'm tired. I need to rest.
Simple words, but powerful.
Very powerful, because they're honest,
Honesty's important,
especially with yourself.
especially then.
What do you do when you're tired but you still have things to do?
That's the hardest situation.
It is. You're exhausted, but life doesn't stop.
No, there's still dinner, still dishes, still responsibilities.
How do you handle it?
I do the minimum, just what's necessary.
The minimum, not perfection.
No, not perfection, just enough.
Enough to get through.
Enough to survive the evening.
And that's okay.
It has to be, because you don't have more to give.
You're empty.
You're running on reserve energy, the last little bit.
I know that feeling. When you're moving but you're not really there.
Autopilot.
Yes, autopilot mood. Your body moves but your brain is off.
You brush your teeth, but you don't remember doing it.
You lock the door but you're not sure if you did.
So you go back and check.
Always checking.
Because tired brain doesn't trust itself.
No, it doesn't. Tired brain is foggy.
Foggy and forgetful.
Very forgetful. I put things down and lose them immediately.
Your phone, your keys, your glasses.
My glasses while they're on my face.
Looking for them everywhere.
While wearing them, that's peak tiredness.
Peak tiredness. I like that phrase.
When you're so tired you can't even be tired properly.
Can't even be tired properly. That's funny.
But also true.
Very true.
What do you do in the evening when you're tired?
I slow down. Intentionally.
Intentionally slow down.
Yes, I turn the lights down, make things softer.
Dimmer lights help?
They do. Bright lights feel harsh when you're tired.
They do. So you make everything gentler.
Gentler, quieter, simpler.
What about food?
Simple food. Nothing complicated.
Toast, soup, something easy.
Yes, something you don't have to think about.
Just eat and rest.
Just eat and rest. That's the evening goal.
Do less, expect less.
Exactly. The evening is not for productivity.
It's for winding down.
For transitioning.
From doing to being.
I like that. From doing to being.
Do you think it's possible to prevent tiredness?
Prevent it completely? No.
No?
No, because living makes you tired. Existing makes you tired.
Just being alive takes energy.
It does. Your heart is beating, your lungs are breathing, your brain is thinking.
All the time, every moment.
So tiredness is inevitable.
But maybe you can manage it.
Manage it, not prevent it, but manage it better.
How?
Sleep regularly, rest when you can, say no sometimes.
Say no. That's important.
Very important. You can't do everything.
You can't be everywhere.
You can't help everyone.
You have to protect your energy.
Like a resource, a limited resource.
That needs to be guarded.
Yes, not hoarded, but guarded.
Used wisely.
Used on things that matter.
Not wasted on things that don't.
Exactly.
That's wisdom.
Hard-earned wisdom.
From being too tired too many times.
Yes, from learning the hard way.
But now we know.
Now we know, and we can be gentler.
Gentler with ourselves.
And with each other, because everyone is tired.
Everyone is carrying something.
Fighting something.
Surviving something.
So maybe we should all just be kinder.
Be kinder. Rest more. Judge less.
That sounds like a good plan.
A very good plan. Do you think it's possible to prevent tiredness?
Prevent it completely? No.
No?
No, because living makes you tired. Existing makes you tired.
Just being alive takes energy.
It does. Your heart is beating, your lungs are breathing, your brain is thinking.
All the time. Every moment.
So tiredness is inevitable.
But maybe you can manage it.
Manage it, not prevent it, but manage it better.
How?
Sleep regularly, rest when you can, say no sometimes.
Say no. That's important.
Very important. You can't do everything.
You can't be everywhere.
You can't help everyone.
You have to protect your energy.
Like a resource, a limited resource.
That needs to be guarded.
Yes, not hoarded, but guarded.
Used wisely.
Used on things that matter.
Not wasted on things that don't.
Exactly.
That's wisdom.
Hard-earned wisdom.
From being too tired too many times.
Yes, from learning the hard way.
But now we know.
Now we know, and we can be gentler.
Gentler with ourselves.
And with each other, because everyone is tired.
Everyone is carrying something.
Fighting something.
Surviving something.
So maybe we should all just be kinder.
Be kinder. Rest more. Judge less.
That sounds like a good plan.
A very good plan.